Wait, hold on. These cost how much? Oh man, I can't wait to tell you guys about these right after this. What's up everyone? This is your boy Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're gonna be checking out the Origem HS-1 Bluetooth earbuds. Now you can find these guys on Amazon for right around anywhere from 33 to 36 bucks. I'll be leaving links to these right down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check those out. Now for full disclosure and before we go any further, Origem actually reached out to me, sent these earbuds out to me free of charge in exchange for my honest opinion and review. Now if you're new here or maybe you're not familiar with the way I do things, whether or not a product was sent to me for free or if I purchased it myself, I'm always gonna bring you guys my honest opinion and review on said product. My goal with this channel is to keep it 100% honest with you guys. So if something sucks, I'm gonna tell you it sucks. And if something's solid and good and worth your dollar, I'm gonna let you guys know that too. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here we have them, the Origem HS-1 wireless earbuds. Hear the soul-stirring sound from Origem. Let's go ahead and crack her open. So this is one of those magnetic closing boxes. That's pretty cool. I like when people do that. Stepping their unboxing game up here. Whoa, whoops, sorry about that there, Deadpool. So right here, they give us like a background on their company, stuff like that. I'm not going to read that off for you. You guys can check that out for yourselves when you pick these up. Move that foam. All right, so there we have them. Let's go ahead and pop these out here. All right, so here you have the earbuds themselves. All right, so as you guys can see, they don't come with any of the ear tips attached. So they do have a bunch of different options, but this way you can sort of set them up yourself to fit your ears perfectly. So that's kind of nice. I like this matte black with the red. As you can see there, they have their Origem logo in there, real subtle. You know, it's not super loud in your face, so I like that. Really nice, good feel to them too. And as you guys can see, also magnetic, right? So if you take them off, pop them together, hang them around your neck, no big deal. Then you've got your controller here. Got your play, pause, multifunction button, also to answer phone calls and hang up. Volume up, volume down. Long press either for track forward, track back. And then you also have your micro USB charging port there. Here we have the user manual. Easy to read. And it looks like they've also included this flat micro USB to standard USB cable for charging. Very nice, good feel to it too. Next up, we have this small, faux leather carrying pouch, drawstring, like that. Now we have this little Ziploc bag here that says Origem. Okay, so here are all the wingtips in multiple sizes, come in red so that they match the color motif. Looks like there's a little cable clip so you can sort of cinch up the line so it's not hanging loose all in the back of your neck. All right, and next up, before I go ahead and pull all of these out, so you've got different ear tips. These look like standard rubber, sort of like memory foam. So you've got what looks like a medium and a small, and then you've got your standard silicone ear tips. They've got small, medium, and large. So they give you a lot of different sizes, and we're talking 10 different ear tips here. So yeah, I mean, that plus all the different sizes of wing tips, you can really customize these to fit your ears just right. Really like that. And then last but not least, the thank you card. Extra 1-year hassle-free warranty. Just got to go to their website. But yeah. Now let me go ahead and pop a couple of ear tips on here so you guys can check this out. All right, just so you guys can see, this is basically how you would pop them on. Right there, very flexible, so they just slide right on there. Slide them on down, right to the edge right there. That's it, and then you can sort of adjust them to whatever's gonna, make it nice and comfortable for you. Personally on these, I've tried out the 3 different ear sizes. Medium works best for me as far as these go. Some companies, sometimes they run small, they run big. These actually gave me the best fitment because the large ones, they were too big. I didn't get a good seal. And then the small ones, same thing. They would just kind of sit inside my ear canal and I would hear a bunch of external noise. So But yeah, so that's pretty much it like that. So when you get them, obviously they come out of the package like this, like you guys just saw. And this is what they would look like, put them together. I'm using the small ear hooks. Some people might need the larger ear hooks, depends on your ears. But yeah, pretty straightforward, right? And also, you may be asking yourself, what the hell happened to this guy's thumb? If you guys wanna know, smashed it in the car door. There's no damage to the bone. This nail's gonna fall off. Get some ligament damage to the thumb here, but overall, I'm getting a lot better, a lot less pain, no more pain meds. I can move it. Thank you to everybody who asked about that. All right, so let's start off with some of the quick facts and info about the Origem HS-1s. So you can get these in either black or red, and I believe the black are $33.99, the reds are $36.99. Either way, still a good price. They're running Bluetooth 4.1, so you can easily pair them up with almost any device. I know as far as my Galaxy S8 Plus goes and my wife's LG Aristo, pairing was super quick and easy, no problems there. Now they also carry that IP67 rating, so they're going to be highly water resistant. You don't have to worry about, light sprinkles or rain, or if you're working out, sweat, things like that. Not going to be much of an issue there. Now they also feature some great battery life and fast charging. To get a full charge out of them, about 30 minutes gets you about 10 hours worth of playback time. And if you're in a hurry, charging them for 5 minutes will give you 3 hours worth of talk time, which I think is pretty incredible. All right, so with all that being said, now let me give you my pros and cons on the Origem HS-1s. So first up, and obviously most important, is the sound quality. Now these are giving you some seriously good bass with awesome crisp mids and highs. Now I'm sure that it might have something to do with that aptX sound chip improving the sound quality and things like that, but yeah, I mean, enough can't be said about the great sound quality of these. Now secondly, and this is real important to me and a lot of you guys out there, latency. Now there is no latency, as far as I can tell, while using the YouTube app on Android 8.0. So when I'm using the YouTube app either on my Galaxy S8 Plus or my wife's LG Aristo, yeah, there's no issues as far as that goes. You know, there's no disconnect between the person talking and the sound coming through your ears. There's no issue, there's no lag there. For YouTube, for Netflix, Hulu, there was no problems at all. Thirdly, you have cost. You know, whether you're getting them in black for 33 bucks or you're getting them in this red for 36 bucks, you're under $40. I mean, for the sound quality, for the design, and for everything that's included in the package, this is a steal. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This has to be one of the best bargains that you can get on Amazon right now for a set of Bluetooth earbuds, considering everything that's included, the quality of the headphones themselves, and not only that, the sound quality that you're getting out of them. And then lastly, the design. I mean, they include their logo on them and stuff like that, but it's subtle. And you know, I really like them. They're a little bit on the larger side, so for some people, they may not be into that. I don't mind it, I like them. So yeah, that's definitely a plus for me. But then on that same note, I'm gonna have to put that also in the con category because they do stick out quite a bit. I think that's a good trade-off for the size of the driver and the quality of the sound that you're getting out of them. And then the other drawback to them is they do have a built-in mic to like answer phone calls and do things like that, but the mic quality is not so great. You know, when I called my wife, she said that I sounded a little bit on the muffled side. You know, I was playing around, moving it from having the wire behind me to the wire in front of me, which I don't normally do. I don't normally have the wire in front of me when I wear, Bluetooth earbuds. She told me that the call quality was a little iffy. So just keep that in mind. You know, if you do answer phone calls with your Bluetooth earbuds, you may want to have to hold it close to your mouth for the other person to hear what you're talking about. So yeah, just a heads up on that. So all in all, I'm super impressed and really happy with the Origem HS-1s. You know, they check off every single mark, that I look for a solid pair of earbuds. I truly wish that I would have had my camera going when I first put them on and first tried them out, because if you guys would have seen my face, I was like, as soon as the music kicked in and I heard that sound quality and that deep bass, man, I mean, I'm that dude who really gets excited about tech. I really do get excited about good headphones and good earbuds. I love music and I love listening to music. So when I heard the sound quality of these and I was impressed, man, I hope you guys can tell by the way I'm doing this review that I'm excited about these. I'm excited to bring this to you guys. And I really hope that if you're in the market for some earbuds, that you guys, check out the Origem HS-1s and give them a shot. The sound quality is there. The style is there, the fast chargeability, the IP67 rating. I mean, they're tough to beat, especially if you get them, you know, from anywhere from 33 to 36 bucks, man, they are tough to beat. So as far as the Origem HS-1s go, they get 2 big thumbs up from your boy El Jefe. I highly recommend them. I don't think you'll have any issues with these. And not only that, you know, they do still have that 30-day money-back guarantee. I think it's on Amazon, but they also offer a 60-day extended and a 1-year warranty. So they do stand behind their products. Before I go any further or ramble on anymore, I highly recommend the Origem HS-1s. I think you guys should definitely check these out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this review right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Origem HS-1s down in the comments section. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. And if you've made it this far into this video, this is gonna be the very last video that I'm shooting with this background in this set and in this house. So my next video, I'll be coming at you guys with a slightly different set, maybe a different look, who knows? But yeah, this is the very last time I'm gonna be shooting a video in here. So a little bittersweet, but on to newer things.
Fake laugh, hiding real pain.
So with all of that being said, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.